Hello my beautiful viewers on my channel, Shane Dickens of World. What I've got for you now is popcorn shed, safe cheese, less than 120 calories, gourmet popcorn, all natural ingredients, gluten free. There you go. Right, let's give it a taste out there on my channel. Yeah, right. Well, it does taste like cheese, I'll give you that. Right. It tastes like cheese combined with popcorn. Now, if you like that, then it's good, but me personally, I think the two, it's not a good combo in my book, cheese and popcorn. So for me personally, this is my review. You know what? I'm going to give it a 2 out of 10. To be honest with you. Absolute 2 out of 10, that one. Bit of a disaster. Anyway, see you on the next one.